What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name's Carrie. I am so excited. This is my first YouTube video. I am a product-based business coach and I work with e-commerce and I work with subscription box businesses to help them make more money, get recurring revenue, get more customers. Each week I'm gonna be sharing a new tip or trick that will help you grow your product-based business. If you want more tips on how to grow your subscription box business, please be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for amazing tips each week. So in this episode, I'm gonna go through 5 tips that helped me grow my own subscription box business to over $300,000 in revenue in 2 years. And while this wasn't an easy task, I was able to do this with no help, no support, no funding, and no mentors, which means you can do it too. So the first thing I did was I niched down. When I was at that drawing board of coming up with my business idea, I really tried to identify an opportunity in the market that no one else was doing. And so I was able to take my idea, which was a pet subscription box business, and I tried to identify some holes that could be an opportunity for me. And so that's really what I did, and I was able to find one type of person to target, and that really worked well for me. So I do suggest if you are either starting a business or you're trying to grow it and it's not growing, go back and see how you can niche down more. Niching down is one of the best ways to be able to tone in on your targeting. And you might think that you're not able to get more customers, but it's actually easier for you to get business when you speak to one person, not speaking to everyone. Step number 2, I focus on things that helped conversion for a product business. So for a product-based business, website and product photos are gonna be one of your most important things to focus on. So if you don't do anything else, make sure your website looks good. Get feedback from other people. Have people go through your website and practice. Make sure it's easy to navigate. For your product photos, you want to be getting a lot of lifestyle images, so people using your product in real life. You want flat lays, so you want creative images that showcase your product in a really fun, creative way. And overall, you want high quality photography. Photos are what's going to sell your products, so you want to really focus on getting those perfected. Step 3. I created an amazing customer experience. So everything from the packaging to the inserts were perfection. I spent a lot of time and energy really perfecting the box design. And so I wanted a box that when people opened it up, they were so excited to post that on social media. So that was really one of the big factors when I was creating my packaging, was I wanted to create this packaging for people to take photos on the social media. So that for me, that was important for my audience. And then the inserts that I had made, they were really beautiful. They had a lot of information. They were meant to provide a really awesome experience for the customer. 4, I was obsessed with my customers. Customer obsession is so important. You have to love your customers. You have to show them love. You have to give support to them. If they email you with a problem, fix it. Handle it. It's cheaper for you to retain customers than to get new ones all the time. So I suggest when you are coming up with your customer acquisition strategy, make sure you have something in there for customer service. 5, I diversified my customer acquisition channels. And that's really a fancy way of saying that I spread myself out in terms of marketing. I didn't just focus on one platform. So I see a lot of businesses that have, again, e-commerce subscription, and they really only focus on one channel, when in fact you need to be on multiple channels. You have to be on Instagram, you have to be on Facebook, you have to do email marketing, you have to work with influencers. So while that might seem overwhelming, it's one of the things you have to do, and you can start outsourcing things if you're not able to do it yourself, but you have to be on multiple channels. Being on one channel is not enough for any e-commerce business. And then number 6, I really tried to leverage my customers to doing things for me. And so I'm going to say number 6 is leveraging my customers to promote my business and act as ambassadors for my business. And so what that means is, when a customer would sign up for the product, I would then send them a series of emails that would ask them to write a review for me. It would give them a discount code that they could use for a future purchase. It would invite them to my referral program where they could refer friends and family in order to get free products. And doing those things really leverage my customers to act as ambassadors for my brand. And so they would tell family and friends about the business. And sometimes you have to incentivize customers in order to promote your business. And so that's really what I did for my customers. I tried to incentivize them. I knew my product was fantastic, but a little incentivization doesn't hurt. And so I told them, you know, if you refer a friend or a follower and they use your discount code, you'll get a free product. And so that little incentivization really helped my customers to promote my business, and you know, they acted as ambassadors for me without me having to physically do all of the work. Those are really some of the 6 top things that enabled me to grow my business to multi-6 figures in 2 years. So again, if I can do these things, then so can you. All right guys, thank you so much for tuning into my first video. This was really exciting. If you want more tips and tricks each week to grow your subscription or e-commerce business, be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.